Hi, I'm Em and this is Disney M UK, and today we're at Magic Kingdom. Again, today's not gone to plan. So when we got back to the hotel room last night, we had purchased some of the Magic Bands, so I went ahead and started pairing them with my device, mine and the kids. And Georgina chose a Magic Band Plus. And while I did the normal Magic Bands for myself and Ariel, and they linked and paired fine. And then when I went to do the Magic Band Plus, it all crashed. And since then, my app has been down. So I lost my PhotoPass photo permission to view them, they're all watermarked now. And it says basically that I'm unable to have Memory Maker. It unlinked my pass from my Magic Band and Ariel's Magic Band and wouldn't let us link back up. So we spent the morning going from guest relations to City Hall to Emporium, fixing things, changing things. I mean, the staff, the cast members were amazing, and obviously they dealt with us and swapped the Magic Band Plus over in case it's the Magic Band Plus causing the issues. My Magic Band hopefully works now, which I got the Donald one. But yeah, it's a bit chaotic. So by the time we got in, we were hoping to have breakfast here. It's actually gone 11. It's taken us all that time to sort everything out to the point that we can just get on with our day. I'll have to try and sort the photos later because the photos are still not showing, but everyone else's apps are showing, so we'll be able to get the photos from other people. Oh look, the band is going. And there's the castle in all her glory. So we're just queuing up to get a photo actually now because my girls are dressed as Minnie. Look at you girls, aren't you beautiful? Are you excited? You got your Minnie Mouse necklace you bought as well, didn't you? You have got your charm bracelet. You got your Goofy necklace. You did see Goofy on the way in, didn't we? Yeah. I know you're hungry. We're going to have this photo and we're heading on to get food. But it is another scorcher of a day. Goofy necklace. Girls, look what Granddad's got you. What's Granddad got? They don't need the sauce.
Hey?
They don't need the sauce.
No.
You can have it. The Mickey Hop, will you have it? It's a pretzel, Mickey pretzel.
Do what we want, just like at the snuggly duckling.
Yay! We've run for shelter at Sleepy Hollow. It's not air conditioned, so we've brought our own air conditioning, courtesy of Amazon. Not courtesy, we bought them, but you know what I mean. But because, like I said, we were looking for something breakfasty, Sleepy Hollow do, well, I'll show you in a minute, some waffles and funnel cake, so I'm excited for them. I did have the waffle at the funnel cake a little while ago when we came, 2018. and it was really good. So I'm hoping it's still as good. And you had I think you had the waffle last time, didn't you? And it was really good too. So should be yum.
But that way it's adventure time. The other way.
That is what is left of my funnel cake. Sorry, it was all it's so hot. It was just melting. It's not picturesque to watch or look at anyway. So if you want to go look at pretty pictures of food, check out Instagram. But this is reality, and it was melting as quick as we could. The kids were desperate, so their waffle I chopped up as fast as I could so they could get eaten. So not really a lot to show you, but we better. I've had better. Yeah, shall I share? Look, Mum's here. Here she is. We both had the funnel cake. Last time I had it, it was nice, light and fluffy. Today it's a bit greasy, and I've left all like the harder bits. Like I've got quite a few like crunchy bits. There we go. But it's like with all these things with batter, you can get a donut, and one day it's so nice and easy to eat, and the other day it's like really greasy, isn't it? Like it's what it is. We've got it's a donut-ish mixture. If you haven't, it's just a bit greasy, and I couldn't eat it all. But nice, like strawberries compote thing was nice, and the whipped cream. Kids have got Nutella and fruit, which on a waffle. And the waffle, by the way, was it's like this big. So it's huge. Half each does 2 children easy. Like you don't, unless your kids eat a lot. Especially in this heat, I wouldn't bother getting 2. Even me and you could have shared one. We could have shared the funnel cake. The funnel cake was big enough for us. So yeah, we should have shared and saved our pennies. Yeah, it's a small world. Let's go. Finally, the tradition can continue. Ish. Small cheat day yesterday. We're on Small World! Woo! Are we on Small World? Got to go. Ariel? We're doing the dolly one. It's a Small World. That's it, that's the song. Woo! That's Pinocchio. She can eat up there. And you get a view of It's a Small World.
And please watch your children. Thank you. Bienvenido. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la cama. Y cuide a su familia. Gracias. Welcome to Pecos, Tomorrowland.
We know walking with the woods is going to be enjoying this, but hey, Courtney, Small World, I'm with you. We love Small World. That's right, they are on the moon.
Gina, who are you going to do with this one? Andrew, so should we see if we can go as a 3?
This is like last time you came, madam. Everything, I'll sit with Andrew.
It's alright, we've got
Right, we're on Peter Pan's flight. We're going to do Peter Pan's flight, aren't we? The first time with you? Yeah. The first time? Yeah, is that exciting? Yeah. What did you think of Small World? Did you like Great? Yeah. We got a lightning lane because of our problems at the front. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but because we were so long sorting out our magic bands, the cast member kindly gave us one lightning lane choice, and I went for Peter Pan because we can all use it, and it's always a big queue. So right now it's an hour, and we're nearly at the front already. We've only just joined the queue, so that saves us the time. Here we go! Thank you! Off to Neverland!
Pixie dust, and on we go!
to myself. Note to myself. We were just riding Prince Charming's Regal Carousel, and my daughter Georgina, she got to ride the horse that we rode on, or didn't ride on as such, but we sat on for photos at our weddings, because if you didn't know, I got married here at Walt Disney World at the Pavilion, and we were lucky enough to have a little photo session with the castle, and we sat on the carousel as well, so that was quite special. And we got Disney World. Oh, look at the castle, looking beautiful. Right, we're going to try and get a spot for the parade now. Yeah. Festival Fantasy. Exciting.
Welcome to the world's most magical celebration. You are warmly invited to join Mickey Mouse and his Fantasyland friends for an enchanting celebration in the streets. Dreams will come true, hearts will soar, and you will become a part.
was Goofy dancing with? Was he dancing with Chip and Dale?
Oh, was that good, Georgina?
Yeah, you showed him your necklace.
You showed him your necklace. Show us your necklace. You got Goofy. You got your Goofy necklace. Let's see. Beautiful.
I've got Minnie.
You got your Minnie on. And your mini dress. Oh, that was so good, wasn't it?
Oh, do you want to do a Pirates ride first?
Yeah, let's go. That was so good. Are you crying? I know, their reactions were great.
Did you want to look around the Christmas shop while I go and get the pram?
Yeah, should we go in the aircon?
Yeah.
That was a really great spot. Look, castle, we had space, right by Sleepy Hollow. Perfect. In case you can't tell by the dark lighting and the piratey music, we're going to go on Pirates of the Caribbean. And I've just changed the girls into their Primark dresses to give them a bit of a breather really, because those big dresses are quite hot in today's weather. I mean, I'm dripping and I'm in a t-shirt, so trainers and dress. So definitely, if you're considering costumes around this time of year, let them have a break. Spare change of clothes. Go on then. Yeah, you're a pirate. You are, look at you. Oh, you're a bit close. There, do it again. Yeah, that's it. Awesome. Where's it?
See a pirate? What's he doing? He's in the sand. He's having a nice snack.
It's been a while since we've done this one. We've done other versions since. He is having a nice snack, that's right.
Some mystery waiting to the still. You're rolling in the vessel and even hijack. You got with me on his yellow. Hijack.
Oh, pirate stuff everywhere. Oh, look, the red outfit, that's what I love. I wonder if Ariel wants it. Ariel, look! Ariel, look! Look at that! Wow! What do you think of that? And more than just a pretty face, yeah.
Karen.
It's true. I love that. I do love the red outfit. Okay. So we've left Pecos. So we went and had dinner at Peso Bills or Peco Bills. I'm not quite sure how you say it, but we had, you know, mixed reviews on this, to be honest. The cast members we encountered were not the best cast members, and I hate complaining about cast members, you know, but it was not a good experience. When we arrived, the restaurant was busy and there wasn't any tables we could see, so we sat in an area that was empty apart from like a couple of other people, and then they roped it up and I get that they are trying to, you know, reduce the cleaning they need to and keep the area, you know, down when it's quietening down, but we sat there first and then they roped us off, and then instead of asking us to move, they sort of just seemed to be more like, sounds bad, but petty about it, like you're roped off and I'm just going to stand here and watch you struggle with you going to collect your mobile ordered food and watch you struggle with your kids, and I'll just stand here and like just make it awkward. And so obviously we were like, well, we'll move. And the actual person doing our mobile order was like, here it is, and we looked and we was like, well, this is missing, this is missing, this is missing. And they were like, no, they're not. And then we're reading it off and they're like, there you go. There you go. And just dumping one item at a time that was missing instead of like being, oh, I'm sorry about that, and check in and read, you know, they could see that there was things missing and they were like, no, I'll just do that one thing as you list it as missing. I don't know, but yeah. Anyway, food wise, we went for the fajita pata, and yeah, that was nice. So it comes with 3 tortillas, and you get a mixture of some chicken and pork carnitas, salad, you know, beans, salad, salsa, you know, all that sort of stuff. And it was, I actually really enjoyed the fajitas. Nachos, they weren't good. The American cheese, like, you know, the plastic cheese, it wasn't good cheese. It was horrible. Yeah, we didn't really eat that. Yeah, so like I say, a bit up and down there. But we weren't feeling too good. The heat had really got to us today, so we've just been chilling and hiding from the weather. And now we're all refreshed and feeling ready to go, and the sun has gone in a little bit. We're back up and we are now over in New Fantasyland, about to ride Barnstormer for my goofy mad daughter, as you all know by now. So she's been on and on and on, wants to do this one. So we're going to try and get it before the weather turns, because there's some grey skies are looming again. Have you been excited about this one? Yeah.
I'm on the airplane.
Yay! What do you mean 11? They've got Tron, and that is the show building for Tron. It's a bit big. I mean, Disney have stopped caring, haven't they? Guardians. I mean, as good a ride they are, but look, it's testing right now. I know that they've moved on to like weighted testing, so it's getting there. And then when that opens, or maybe even before, this will finally be up and running again, which hasn't been up and running since we were here, which is crazy to think that has been shut for so long. Hey. She loved, well, Georgina loved the Goofy ride. Ariel's happy she did the Goofy ride. She's not too sure, but she did enjoy it, yeah. But I didn't film because it rained. It's still kind of raining. I've got my poncho. There's lightning off in the distance. It's spitting now. It's a bit better. Just a drizzle, but I couldn't get the camera out earlier, which is a shame because we got really close to Tron as well while it was testing. What did you think of Goofy? Barnstormer?
Like we were going up the, I was like, I think I can see the castle from here. And then we started to go down and I went, ow.
Yeah. That's the Little Mermaid ride there. Do you want to go on Little Mermaid?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mermaid.
Ariel, what did you think of Barnstormer, the Goofy ride?
Fun.
Yay!
I'm going on Mermaid one now.
You are going on the Mermaid one now. Yeah, this is what we have to put up with.
Like the road.
This is Q filming. Every now and then there's a little crab, and he's having his treasures, moving them about. Oh, off he goes.
Treasure.
There we go. Journey.
Hello.
for you.
Oh,
This is such a great story about how Ariel became a woman with that Ursula.
Happy ending. Storming again. Fireworks have been delayed. We're rather soggy, but we've got this good side view here. You've got a tent, kiddies. Under nanny. Oh, oh. Another change of plans. Winnie the Pooh. I'm sorry. We're gonna crash. Ah, we're alright, we're alright, we're okay. Ouch, ouch. Woo! Bit windy.
He just put his hand in and then he slipped.
Oh, he's so greedy, isn't he, that Pooh Bear?
I like the big money top.
This is the TTA Blue Line. Non-stop service around Tomorrowland.
See if we can get some of this crazy lightning. Whoa, what's going on?
And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny PeopleMover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny Orac. On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are no longer sold.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
What's in there? That's the bus ride. So, as you can see, we're back at the hotel and it's actually the next morning. So, again, for a third day in a row, completely rained out last night. The storm did not let off. It was constant all night for hours. I doubt those fireworks ever went off. Well, they apparently they do have to actually let them off at some point, because obviously they basically got bombs strapped to the castle otherwise, haven't they? So they will let them off when the storm goes and it's safe, even if it's like 2 or 3 a.m. You know, it's not necessarily for guests, it's just for safety. So, but there we go. Oh, there's a giraffe going wee over there. That's nice. Yeah, I do have some giraffes out here outside my lovely hotel. If you haven't seen any of the previous episodes so far, we are staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge. But yeah, so it poured and poured and everything was very wet. We were soaked through and the camera was getting too wet, so I couldn't really get it back out. I wanted to make sure it was nice and dry before turning it back on, obviously, because yeah, it was getting rather soggy. But also, that wasn't the only thing that went badly last night. My husband in the rain and everything, trying to sort everything out and trying to get everything dry, and the kids in the pram with the rain hood and everything else, he put his rucksack down, and then we left the park. So yeah, the rucksack that had quite a lot of our personal belongings in, including both of the kids' rucksacks, which he picked up and put inside his bag, with their purses and everything. My old mobile phone that my daughter's using as a camera and a way of playing the Disney Play app. Yeah, and pins that we've had from our wedding, probably old and rare pins that you don't get anymore. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can get them back. We have let Disney know we will be going to Disney Springs after swimming tomorrow anyway, because you have to do a bus transfer at Springs from Typhoon. So we're going to pop by Lost and Found if we haven't heard by then. They hopefully will contact us to let us know if they found it, but yeah, we're going to pop by and hopefully get our stuff back. I hope some nice person has handed it in and they haven't thought, wow, we've won all of these things, look at us. But there we go. So that is how it goes, you know, when you're a family trying to get out of the rain. Chaos. Anyway, I'll see you straight away, hopefully, if you're going to stay on with us for today's vlog. Yes, you know what I mean. So like and subscribe really helps us out, and we'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below, and we will definitely try and get back to you about that. And yeah, don't forget your bag and don't forget your ears. See you in a minute.